family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. And look at this beauty we have right here, man. Ooh, that thing is smooth. Look at that. Look at that. Now this is the FT Spear mixed with the vegan longer fuse, and then I kind of like made the wings a little bit bigger, like the middle pod, just to fit this right here. Then I made some elevators real quick. I was gonna do the 2 servos in the back, but then I noticed that I'm inaccurate with getting those aligned alike, so I was like, no, I'm gonna just try my best to just do this one and see what it does. Now I do have the little prototype right here, no nose. I had, because it's really big. I didn't think it was gonna print out this big, but I was like, I might as well just still put it together and find out. So what I'm thinking right now is the CG is like right around here. So I tested it at home and I did upload that little video. I'm gonna give it a little bit of up elevator. So we're gonna do another glide test right here, see how it does, and hopefully we could replicate that on the original version and not mess it up. Okay, she definitely glides. I'm gonna bring it a little bit more up. See how that does. That was pretty good. It was going a little bit to the left, so just give it. Can't really do much because we don't have a lot of control. So right here, let me see. It's like right here. This is where I'm getting that. So I'm gonna try another glide test. Let's see how she glides. Look at that. Okay, okay. Okay. Now let's try to do that with the real worm. All right, family. I'm gonna do just a little glide test as well with this one. I'm just gonna try to not break the nose. Got another nose at home, but you know, glide test. All right, seemed a little nose heavy, just a little bit. All right, let's try that, family. We gotta be careful to these people here. Okay. She seems pretty good, so I'm just gonna give her a toss and hope for the best. Whoa. All right. So she's definitely tail heavy. I thought she was gonna be like really nose heavy, but she definitely needs a lot more nose heavy. So let's bring her back up to the front right there. All right, she's flying though. She flew. Look at that. She's nice. Look at that. Trying to give her some more down trim. Bring her in. Wow. That was like really smooth, family. I'm gonna be honest, that was really smooth. I'm trying to give her some down trim. It doesn't want no down trim, so we're gonna use that sub trim. Good, let's go right back up in the air, man. Oh, and I broke the nose. It's okay. As long as she's not all the way messed up. Let's make sure that our battery's still in the same spot. Okay. All right, let's get back in the air. That was on high rates. I can't take off on high rates. I forgot. Trying to get a nice little low pass for use. Hope you can see that. I'm sorry that I ain't talking too much. So it's like trying to trim her. She flies, but she's definitely a little hard to fly right now. Almost, she's almost trimmed. There you go. There you go. This thing is nice, man. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, man. It came out really good, honestly. Look at that. She came out really good. Now, there's some stuff I want to fix. I might add the canards too, so see how much of a low pass can we get. Probably not, but I'm just gonna bring her in for a landing. battery's probably running low. We got her. If she had landing gear, she'll probably take off, right? But look at her nose. It's okay though. She was very interesting, honestly. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys love for me to make this a nice little full plane that you can just print out, either tiled or full. Honestly, this one came out really good. This one really came out good. Now, I don't know how to fix that. Like, it kept wanting to go up, but I don't know why. Now, the elevator is basically mostly down, and we have a lot of nose weight. So, I mean, I don't know why. I don't want to keep adding more nose weight because, as you can see, it just wants to dive down. As soon as I cut the motor, it just wants to nose dive. So I don't know. Can somebody please let me know in the comments down below what could be causing that? Maybe the canards or something, or maybe I should put like bigger elevators. I don't know. Honestly, don't know. But that was it for this video, everyone. I appreciate you for staying this long. If you guys stayed to the end of this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that thumb bell so that way you can get notified every single time a new video comes out. Right, everyone, stay creative. See you in the next one.